Hello, welcome everyone to Getting Wealthy with me. I am Georgia. Today I will be sharing with you 5 ways to make money using your house or apartment. Your home should make you money or maintain itself, of course. Most time before we buy a house, we do not think, okay, is there anything I can do with this house to make money? So if you are not wealthy like that as yet, and you're planning to buy a house, you should always make sure that house is not just a liability. When buying a house, you have to take into consideration, I have to maintain this home, I have to pay a mortgage if you're not paying cash for the home. So one way you can use your home to actually pay for itself is actually through Airbnb. Now, can you Airbnb your home? Yes. You don't have to Airbnb the entire home. You can just Airbnb a room out of your home to make ends meet. This can help you to pay utilities and to pay mortgage. It is simple. The next is RV. Do you own an RV? Do you want to make extra money? Are you using that RV for things that doesn't really help you financially? This is a way for you to make money using Airbnb. You simply decorate or renovate if you have to and list it on Airbnb, and there you have a passive income coming in. People are now using containers for Airbnb, and they're actually making money from it. A small container, like a 20-foot container, is like $1,500. All you need to do is to renovate it into a small studio, place it in your backyard if it is allowed in your neighborhood, and there you have an Airbnb bringing in extra money. The other is an apartment. So you're living in an apartment, you're having issues paying your rent and maybe utilities. You can actually use a room in your apartment for Airbnb. All you need to do is to make sure your room is beautiful and your apartment is clean and beautiful. The next thing is to simply list it on Airbnb. All you have to do is those two things. The other is Airbnb friendly apartments. So what are Airbnb friendly apartments? Airbnb has this new system now where they actually joined with apartments in your city, in your town, and you can actually rent these apartments and do Airbnb directly from them. So no, you don't have to, okay, I'm going to rent an apartment and do Airbnb. You have to have a contract, a lease contract with these apartments, and then you can do Airbnb with it. Obviously, there has to be some regulation between you and management. So let me give you a brief outlining of what they are saying. An Airbnb friendly apartment allows renters to list their apartment on Airbnb for short term rentals with the explicit permission of their landlord. So this is proof, guys, that this is really happening, essentially enabling them to earn extra income by hosting guests while still living in their rented space. This means the building management has policies in place that facilitate hosting while managing potential issues like guest turnover and noise complaints. So yes, the management for this apartment will still be managing the guest turnover and the noise complaints. So you will not be alone. You're just simply the host hosting Airbnb travelers. So this is a good way, this is another good way to make money using your living space. Now you may be wondering, is this safe? Can I take someone into my home? Will it be okay? Yes, I tried it a few years ago when I rented this beautiful apartment, and within the year, they raised my rent significantly. So I had to do something. And what I did was actually Airbnb my master bedroom. And it turned out well. I had a good turnover with host and everything. The good thing about it, when I was signing up on Airbnb, I was able to put in my rules and regulations. So I had no smoking, no drinking, no partying, on all of those things. You can decide how many days per week you're doing Airbnb, how many nights, what you would like, overall, who you would like to come to your home. So yes, it is pretty safe, and you get the chance to actually check who is coming before they actually arrive. So I can tell you the scenario. Why, I'm not telling you you're going to be 100% safe, because you don't know, but there are measures in place that you can actually regulate who comes to your home. I got this booking from a lady, right? And after checking out the name and everything, screening the person, I realized that it was a young man coming instead, not the lady, but the room was booked under the lady's name. I actually got in touch with Airbnb immediately and said, something is wrong with this booking. The person who booked is not the person who is coming. There's a young man coming in his teens. He's going to be staying at my home for a week. I really don't trust that. I would like to cancel this booking. And they actually allowed me to cancel the booking. So if you feel that you're not safe, it's okay for you to go ahead and cancel. So yes, everyone, if you really are down on your face financially and you live in a house, an apartment, or you are planning to move soon, it's a good idea to actually think Airbnb to make extra money as a side hustle. Now, what if you're living in a rental house? Can you do it? You should be able to do Airbnb from your rental house if your landlord allows it. So speak with your landlord before you get into this. Thank you for joining me today. I hope this video was helpful. Let me know in the comments below if you plan on trying any of these, or if you have tried these already or presently doing it. Let me know the outcome. Before you go, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so that you don't miss out on another one of my videos weekly. Take care. See you on the next one.